Okay, now moving on further, we'll come to the next topic, that is integration of princely states. For elaboration of the topic, we must know the British India and princely state difference. The princely state is the area that is directly controlled by the Britishers, and the princely states were the areas that were indirectly controlled by Britishers or British Parliament and administered by the princes under the control of British Parliament. Now we had 565 in total princely states at the time of independence, including big and small. According to the Independence Act of 1947, princely states could join India or Pakistan or could remain independent if they wished so. That's why Government of India was worried and they were ready to be flexible in giving autonomy to some extent for those princely states who wished to join the Union of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister and Deputy PM interim government, played a vital role in integration of these states, although he faced some serious problems, but he managed, however, to integrate most of the princely states to the Union of India by signing an agreement named Instrument of Accession. It is the agreement signed by the princely states for merging into Union of India with their own wish. The main problem or issue that India faced in integration of these princely states was from the side of ruler of Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad and Manipur. Junagadh issue was resolved after a plebiscite or people's vote, and Jammu and Kashmir we will be studying in the chapter 8 in detail. Now we directly come on to the next topic, that is accession of Hyderabad. Hyderabad covered a very large territory including some today's parts of Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Its ruler carried the title of Nizam, one of the richest persons in the world. In November 1947, he signed standstill agreement to think and take some time for realization for the merger to Union of India. In the meantime, peasantry class became the victim of oppressive ruling of Nizam and rose against him. Gradually, the common people also joined the peasantry movement against the Nizam. In response to this, Nizam sent his paramilitary force to tackle the situation, which named Razakars, and they know no foundation to suppress the movement. Therefore, they killed, murdered, looted, and attacked the people, especially non Muslims, in a ruthless manner. At last, the central government of India had to send the army to tackle the situation. Later, after a few days of intermittent fighting, the Nizam surrendered and signed Instrument of Accession in India in September 1948. Now, moving on further, we'll come to the accession of Manipur. Raja Bodh Chandra was the ruler of Manipur and he signed the accession with India on the assurance of internal autonomy of Manipur. In June 1948, he held elections and the Manipur state became a constitutional monarchy. In September 1949, Government of India succeeded in pressurizing the Maharaja for signing the merger agreement without consulting elected Legislative Assembly of Manipur, which caused a lot of anger and resentment in Manipur, the repercussions of which are still being felt.